Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing as always. We're coming back with another wig review. If you are new, hello, I'm Sugar. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell. And you guys go ahead and like this video for me. So we're going to be doing some more hair from Fashion Plus. We've done hair from them before and I absolutely love them. They're one of my favorites from Amazon. They usually sell a lot of curly hair. I really do appreciate their packaging. I think this is great for storage. I actually prefer these over the boxes, even though the boxes are so nice to look at. These are just really good because they kind of like already come labeled and everything like that. So we're gonna get right into it. So this is how it comes. On the inside you get your wig caps and this is a 12-inch curly bob we're doing today. So this is what it looks like when you take it out. Now I did bleach the knots, wash and condition this hair. So let's give a look at the knots. It bleached so good, y'all. I mean, this is probably the best wig that I've ever bleached the knots on to date. Like, it bleached so freaking well. So you get that 4x4, you get the 2 combs in the top, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps. Very standard. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little foundation on my brush, dap it around, and then just completely cover the front of the cap where the closure will be. Okay, now that we got it on, I'm gonna use my 3 layers of this and I'll be right back. I'm gonna stop here because Fashion Plus hair is so bomb. Like, look how flat it is, and I haven't even hot combed it. I've done other wigs by them and they were just superb. This is all I tweezed out in the front, and that's from both sides, just to make it look more scalpy. It wasn't super dense, so it made it super easy for me. The knots are always so little and itty bitty that when you bleach them, they're completely non-existent. Like, even when you're holding it in your hand, you can't see them after you bleach them. So it's just always soft. It's beautiful, wet or dry. I love the glueless fit of it. It's not uncomfortable in any way. It's just, if I took it off right now and 3 days later I wanted to sit it back on my head, I wouldn't even have to glue it on. It just fits so well. The baby hairs and everything just looks so good, even though it's not glued down. If you don't have a Fashion Plus wig, if you have not tried them yet, please go check them out. Any length that you get, you're gonna love, I promise. And that is my genuine opinion on them. Like, they're just my favorite because they never disappoint me. I never feel left out in the rain with them. So yes, I want to thank them again for sponsoring this video, and I want to say that I love you guys so much and I appreciate you. Everyone that has subscribed, liked the videos, get in my comments and talk to me, I really do appreciate that. And for everyone that hasn't done it yet, please subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 before the year is out. That would be so much to me, like, you don't even know. But I just want to say that I want you guys to stay safe, and until next time, stay sweet.